The Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Yahya Afridi. Your Honor, 26 November 2024 was a day when all human rights and values were crushed in Pakistan. They were crushed by the security forces under the command of the fraudulent government and the deep state. A massacre occurred in Islamabad where the future generation of Pakistan was killed and maimed. Mothers lost their sons. Sisters lost their brothers. Wives lost their husbands, and children lost their fathers. As a mother, I am totally devastated and heartbroken. In my 74 years of life, I have never felt so helpless. Pakistan is going through the worst possible time in human rights since its inception 77